Merry Christmas, Hunter!
I'm your present tonight.
Romance.
Snow effect now, Abby! Cue music! Blizzard time!
Baby, snow effect now!
Abby, cue the music! Blizzard time.
Tap tap jingle bell!
Stop blocking my light! Your brain's hogging the screen!
This cookie's dry.
Beat's warping! Levels are spiking!
And I'm skating! Help!
Forget the lag.
Look at the spark!
The music is detuned.
My controls are frozen!
Cut! The controls are frozen!
Whoa, whoa, I'm sliding everywhere! Forget the lag! Look at the spark!
Flickering!
Cut the signal before it crashes! If that connection dies, it's not just the stream. We all go offline.
No way.
So what do? We fight the glitch. Stay linked. Ready?
Not ready.
My camera?
What is this place?
Feels like my head's in a freezer of boredom.
We're in the algorithm world, where content goes to die.
That cube thing.
We don't have a choice. We find the exit.
And fast. This place eats content. Let's give it some.
It's lagging.
Feels so heavy.
They aren't attacking. They're just making us dull.
Wait, they feed on boredom. Listen up, idiots. The rule here is simple. Boring gets you deleted. Fun keeps you alive.
Then let's make it fun!
Charge!
Let's light them up! Fireworks ready!
Romance, you're center stage.
Eyes on me, darlings. It's showtime!
Again?
Fine. Chill out. Keep the rhythm, team. Push them back.
Cranking it up! All right, crew. Let's make it loud!
Drop in the beat. Haha! Festive strike.
Fireworks coming up! Romance, center stage!
Mira, keep it lit.
Eyes on me, everyone. Showtime.
Let's get this over with.
Candy cane crusher. Zap, boom, and drop.
That's what I'm talking about.
We have a show to finish. The glitch core is past that junk mountain, but the route's clogged with high-density boring data.
Then we punch through. Baby Max Peppy.
Special delivery coming through. Yeah!
Jingle smash! Pass open, let's move!
Baby, open us a path.
Abby, drop the beat!
Special delivery coming through.
Pass clear, let's move!
Getting new readings. Lots of dead zones ahead.
Then we'd better stay close. Let's go find it.
It's not attacking randomly. It's searching. It's starving. It doesn't want to delete us. It wants connection.
Lonely, error. It just wants to be part of the show? Then let's give it a stage.
You're not alone anymore.
Wow. Maybe it just wants to be part of the show.
Let's show it it's not alone.
Hey, big guy! Don't just watch, join us! Dropping the remix in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, hit it! Everybody feel that? That's connection! Best holiday jam ever!
Dropping the remix in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, they're nailing it.
Come on, Candybot, feel that beat!
Connected. So happy.
Hit the finale!
We look solid.
Maybe too solid.
It's freezing.
It's real cold. This ornament survived better than we did.
Little help! No man down!
Connection stable. We're still linked.
Okay, head count, sound off! 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 5!
+1 snow kid Hackberry. We're good.
So, holiday mission accomplished!
Everyone okay? No missing pieces?
In one piece, I think.
It's freezing. Like, actual freezing.
Connection stable.
Good. Head count, sound off.
Here.
Present.
Yep.
Frostbitten but alive.
All synced. Nice work, everyone. And our snowy
Still in
+1
one lump.
for now.
I give him 5 minutes.
The live light is still on! Cut it! Cut the beat!
Is that real snow?
What happened?
KDH chaos.
And that was our immersive holiday experience. Merry Christmas, loves.
A little help.
You pressed the wrong button because you yelled in my ear!
All right.
Guys, the live light is still on!
And that was our immersive holiday experience. Merry Christmas, love.
Live!
Smiling, everyone.
Seriously, I can't feel my
Sounds
arms.
like a you problem.
Stream ending.
My pixels are frozen solid!
Is it just me, or is this real snow extra freezing?
Thanks, I think I became an actual snowman for a second there.
Glitch signatures are gone. The spark is stable. We're back to normal data.
Well, this mess isn't gonna clean itself.
It's tragically unaesthetic. Let's clear it before... Operation Dorm Restoration starts now!
My hands are insured, darling. I'll supervise. On it, boss.
Whoa! Less talking, more...
All right, team. Dorm Restoration starts now!
Touch that sludge? My hands are insured, darling. I'll supervise from afar. On it, boss. Oh, ha! Yes, best cleanup ever. Less talking, more sweeping. I want my floor
Can
back.
we defrost first, please?
Cable secure. We're freezing.
I can't feel my toe.
Cleanup's on hold.
Thank goodness. My toes are ice.
Who wants fuzzies? Oh, warmth. I'm never moving again.
Need to melt the iciest pixels.
Hey, do you think the Candy Cane Man's okay? Not lonely anymore?
He's fine. He just needed to be seen, to be part of something, like all of us.
Guess we're pretty good at that part.
Tragedy.
Nice stash.
To the weirdest.
Nice stash, Frosty. Very chic. It's artisanal.
All systems. The algorithm world is sealed.
Good. No more surprise live streams for a year.
A tragedy! This